my opinion, not the opinion of any minister here. Thank you, sir.
डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक 2 मिनट हैं आपके पास, क्योंकि आपके पार्टी का टाइम ऐसे भी पूरा
Thank
हो
you,
गया।
sir. So I rise with a lot of sadness and anguish about what happened in Delhi. Any kind of violence, sir, is a blot on India, India's democratic fabric, our parliament, India's judicial system, the entire secular fabric of this country. We have strongly condemned this. We have condemned such violence regardless of the originator. It is extremely distressing to see citizens of this country, the birthplace of Gandhi, taking up such violent methods and perpetrating this manifestation of hate on their fellow men and women. Sir, on this, Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Naveen Patnaik, was deeply saddened to know the house of Constable Muhammad Anis, 9th Battalion BSF, whose house was burned down, and sanctioned rupees 10 lakh, which was delivered in his house. So the government's responsibility, we have discussed about I really don't want to get into the reasons who happened and what happened. The government's responsibility at this point of time, as has been articulated severally, is to build the confidence of this community, which is under, we had expressed this during the debate on the CAA as well, that the confidence of the community has to be restored. The mosques that have been demolished, they could be, or have been burned down, they could be reconstructed. As our leader said, there could be options of reconsidering the CAA. But the most important thing, that the perpetrators of the riot have to be identified, apprehended, and every one of them must be booked and must be taken to task. Any rumors which seek to cause disharmony have to be prevented, sir. Sir, I would like to recall here, sir, at the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi last year, sir, Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Naveen Patnaik, had said, progress requires peace. Progress requires the defeat of those who divide society on the basis of class, caste, or religion. And therefore, a refusal to do harm has to go beyond and mean largest love and greatest charity. And that is what we have to strive. We have to build an India, sir, where I would like to quote Rabindranath Tagore's certain portions, that where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert of sand of date habits. So therefore, lastly, sir, I would like to say that a time has come when peace and harmony has to be established for progress and prosperity, for equality and equity to continue in society. Thank you so much, sir.
आपका यदि पण करे था किस ते पण तो मार रे बे हवाई हबे, संकल्प किया है तो पूरा होगा। माननीय गृह मंत्री जी।